Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rename a file using PeaZip. First, open PeaZip on your computer. Now, go to the location where your file is saved. For this tutorial, I'm going to use an audio file that I already have. You can use any file you have on your computer. It can be an audio file, document, picture, video, or any other file. Now select the file that you want to rename. Right-click on the file. From the menu, find and click Rename. The file name will now become editable. Delete the old name and type a new name. For example, I'll change the name to my audio. After entering the new name, press Enter on your keyboard. As you can see, the file has now been successfully renamed. The file itself has not changed. Only its name has been changed. You can use the same method to rename other files whenever you need to organize them. Just remember to keep the file extension unchanged if it is visible, such as MP3, WAV, JPG, or PDF. And that's how you can easily rename files using PeaZip. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials.